Hi, I'm Barrett Sims. I'm an ultramarathoner, extreme hunter, and adventure guide. I'm also America's toughest property manager. My tenants can be pretty tough on their appliances. That's why I'm going to Louisville, Kentucky to see how Hotpoint has proven that they're America's hardest working appliances. My hunting adventures have taken me all over the world, and they would have never been successful if I didn't have the stamina and the durability to thrive. The durability that I expect out of my gear on those extreme trips is the same as what I expect out of the appliances I put in my tenants' homes. Today I'm meeting with Hotpoint expert Justin, who's going to show me how Hotpoint tests their range's handles for durability.
Hey Barrett.
Justin, thanks for having me.
Anytime, man. This is where we do some of our range testing. Thought we'd show you around, see if you had any questions.
Good deal. So these are already the ranges that I use, and I know that the handles last. That was the biggest problem for me. And over the years, the ones that I didn't have to replace were the Hotpoint, okay? So now I've got lots of Hotpoint. I want to see what you do that makes those last.
Sounds good. We've got lots of handle strength and endurance tests. Well, one of our most rigorous ones is our pull test. We are going to pull with 100 pounds on the handle multiple times, and you'll see how it holds up. All right, so what I have here is a force gauge connected to a cable wrapped around the handle. The unit is strapped to a very heavy object, so it's not going anywhere. So what I want you to do, put your hands right here, pull almost as hard as you can, up to 100 pounds.
So all 100 pounds are going straight to the handle?
That's right.
You want me to pull it to 100?
I do.
All right, let's do it. Okay. All right, Justin, you ready?
Let's do it.
The full 100.
That's right.
Okay. Wow. 100 pounds. I'm impressed.
Told you.
I'm not surprised, but I'm impressed. I know that's why these last. I just wanted to see it for myself.
Yeah, this is just one of the many tests that we run in these ranges.
I like it. Hotpoint tested, Barrett approved. Hotpoint, America's hardest working appliances.